Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher. In this video, I'm going to go over 4 demonstrations with liquid nitrogen, and I want you to tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Alright, so here's our first demonstration. This is just water with some food coloring for added effect. We're going to take some liquid nitrogen and pour it inside. Can be used in things like movies where we're making a potion. Right? I just really like watching that. All right, so there's liquid nitrogen in water with some food coloring for added effect. All right, so let's put that one aside. Move on to our second demonstration. Beautiful smelling flower. Nothing strange about that. I'm going to dip it in liquid nitrogen. You can hear it bubbling, so it's boiling. And when the bubbling stops, you could take out the flour and crush it like glass. You can do the same thing with an onion. I'm going to take a portion of an onion here, pretty squishy, put in here, and we're going to freeze it with liquid nitrogen. All right, let's take this onion out here. It's very fragile because it's frozen and frozen like glass. Let's do our next one. Now this one is pretty cool. What I'm going to do is light this splint on fire. We're going to pour some liquid nitrogen in this tin overflow can. And notice the fire has gone out, but we'll get some condensation forming on the tin can. And as it drips, we can reignite the fire. And the reason that works is because that condensation is oxygen, liquid oxygen. And then we could put it out with the nitrogen. You can take a balloon, and as it warms, since I removed it from the liquid nitrogen, it expands again. Back to a normal balloon. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comment which demonstration was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.